G'day everybody, welcome back to the studio. I know I said in my last video that I am done with making these dragon scale effects. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about that much. Lapis lazuli going in. I know I said that, but I just got inspired and I want to try it with multiple colors. See what happens. So a little bit of cranberry going in there. Excuse me. A little bit of forest green going in there. What is that? Anywho. And a bit of blueberry going in there. All different colours. Different, totally like contrasting colours. See how we go. And I've got some, oh, this is the wrong white. I wanted to do the satin white. I've got a pearl white here. Let me just go grab the satin white. Okay, popped open a brand new jar of satin white. I'm going to put quite a bit in here. So about 2 scoops. So I'm just going to stir in all of them nicely. And be back in a tick. I just want these to be nice and transparent. I find that it really works with any kind of transparent color. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's so cold in here, and I know we're pretty spoiled here in Australia because like 10 degrees Celsius is freezing for us here. And definitely too cold for resin, so I've got my air conditioner going. This is really lovely color, lapis lazuli, and I'm going to mix all of them and be back in a sec. Okay, here we go. I've stirred them all in nicely, mixed them all white. I had to really work on that because I just plonked that powder over the top of that resin, and it just was, I needed to really give it lots of stirrage. Okay, here we go. This is going to be pretty random, so here we go. Let's start with the blue. Might start up top here with this one, and I got to go quickly because this is going to run. There, kind of want to use up all of it or most of it, and then I'm going to go in real quickly with that one. Running out. And with the green, might go green. Ooh, let's do the purple here. And I'm going to go in with the green. Doesn't look like anything now, I know. Believe me, I do know. But see, these tints are so pigmented that I'm sure they're going to create something cool. I have faith in my pigments. All of them. A lot. Okay, that is that. Now here we go with the white. Now this is going to be very interesting. The white's going to be super easy because it goes right in the middle. The only problem is putting the right amount in there. Let's just give this a bit of a torch. Okay. Let's go. I want to flood it with the white. I've got all these colors in there. I've got lapis lazuli, I've got cranberry, I've got forest green, and I've got my blueberry and some satin white. These are all liquid pigments or tints, and I've had my satin white over the top of it. So the liquid pigments went in around everywhere, just blob, 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 and then the white went on top, and then the clear on top of that. And now I'm just gonna blast it with the heat gun. from up high first, and then I'll bring it down. Okay, so here we go. How pretty does it already look? So I'm going to leave them now. I'm going to cover them up and leave them, and come back in about 4 hours maybe, and they should be ready to unmold or demold. And I've got my little dragonfly here with the leftovers. So, should be interesting to see. Look at that. Doesn't it look like a bit of a heart with, with the arteries and things? Maybe that way. Interesting. Anywho, I'll be back soon. Okay, here we go. I've loosened them all up like that so that it's easier and quicker. Wow. Ooh, that cranberry stained my mold here, but it doesn't really matter. It's not going to do anything to it. Look at that. How cool is that? Of course, there's a lip because I didn't go all the way up, and that's fine because I don't mind the thickness. And let's see. Whoa! Very bright. Very bright. And the effects are definitely there, but they're tiny. They're really small. Oh, okay. Oh dear, I need to work on that now. Figure out how and why that happened. Look at that. Oh, I look like a strawberry now. That's so cool. Alrighty. Oh. Yeah, definitely much thinner. Still effects are there. Okay. I love those colors. Oh wow, that one's cool. That one's definitely the coolest one. See, I can go around with a silver pen and just separate them, kind of thing. That's pretty. I like that one. Let's have a look at this one now. Oh, that one looked like it. I love the depth in that, and the colors too. That lapis lazuli is a really, really pretty blue. Oh, okay. Right. Really? So that one there is more like it. That one there is pretty small. There's still pretty effects. And I lost the green on here. Where'd the green go? Very interesting. Okay, well, I do like them. Let me just grab a silver pen and see what I can do. Okay, so I've got my silver marker. This is a metallic one. So I'm just going to go. I've got to go this way because I can't really... Yeah, take some photos for you guys, and then stay tuned because I will do another one today. Just going to use a different system, so that hopefully have all the colors in together. But I do like these too. They're quite funky. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye for now.